welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Risa and I do a whole bunch of makeup and beauty videos. So if you guys do want to see more of my videos, please be sure to subscribe down below. That way you get notified whenever I do have a new video up. And for today's video, I wanted to show you all what I got for the Sephora spring sale. So I know that the sale is over and I really wanted to get this video up before the sale was over so that I can show you what I got. Maybe you guys would want to pick up a couple of the same things, but I literally placed my order like the first or second day that the sale started for VIB Rouge, and I literally got my package like 2 days ago, so I think it took like 3 weeks to get here, but that's fine. I completely get it. They're trying to be safe. You know, things are taking longer because of all this COVID craziness, but I still thought I would come on here and share everything that I got because there's some really exciting stuff. So the first thing that I got is this perfume. I've never really tried this brand before. So this is After Sunset by Kilian. And I smelled this the last time I was in a Sephora store and it actually smelled really, really good. It kind of reminds me of Stronger Together, or is it Because It's You? One of those like Giorgio Armani perfumes, because it has like a really sweet, like fruity, lychee scent to it. So this is what it looks like, and I think the packaging is really, really cool. It's very different, not like the standard perfume bottle, which is also what makes it so fun. And actually, let me read what notes this has. So, this perfume is basically a blackcurrant, lychee, and rose perfume. So it is like a little floral, a little fruity, but it smells so good. And the packaging is so cute. Like, this is the little spray bottle. And yeah, it has like a really nice like lychee scent to it. And I'm excited. I have this now to add to my perfume collection because I've loved this perfume since I smelled it in stores. Okay, so now moving on to skincare, I did pick up two things. The first thing I picked up is this Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. It's a brightening and smoothing pineapple, vitamin C, and chamomile serum. And I just picked it up because I've heard about a lot of different, vitamin C serums, and I wanted to try one out for myself. And I've heard Glow Recipe is great. I mean, I've tried their watermelon moisturizer before and I really liked it, so I thought I would try this out. Now, first of all, the packaging is really, really cute. And the thing about this is it's really weird. I haven't used it yet, but it's not like, when you think of a serum, you think it's like an oil or something. Mine is like a gel, which is weird that it's in a dropper because it is a gel, but I need to try this out and see how it works. Now the next skincare item I have is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Eye Cream Serum. I think it's an eye cream, and I just need a new eye cream. I'm pretty much done with my old one. And I love their entire like Midnight Recovery line. I use the oil every single day, so I wanted to try out the eye cream. And now moving on to the fun stuff, the actual makeup. So first thing, I just restocked on my Smashbox Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I actually already have this, but I'm running out, so I wanted to just pick one up just as backup. And this is the 1.7 fluid ounce, so this is like the jumbo size. I honestly, I have this size and I'm almost out of it. That's how much I love this primer, so I just needed to pick up a backup. And then I picked up all lip products. I didn't realize I picked up this many lip products, but I did. And I think most of them are like nude colors, which I probably shouldn't have done, but they're here. What am I going to do now? So the first thing I picked up is this Marc Jacobs new Nudes lipstick. And this is in the shade Anais, I think. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's this really pretty light nude color. I have used this already, but it's a really nice, like, light pinky nude. And I do love the packaging on this collection just because it's nude packaging, which I love. And then the next thing I got is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. And this is the clear one. I don't think it has a color. But yeah, this one's clear. So, backstory on this. I actually saw this all over TikTok. Like, everyone and their mom has been trying this out on TikTok and showing like before and afters. And I really wanted to try it out because I wanted to see if it like actually plumps your lips. So I did try it out the day I got this, and it works. Like, my lips were buzzing. They felt like it was so weird. Like, you know when you get your lips, not your lips, but like you get your gums numbed when you're at the dentist? It was kind of that feeling, but on your lips. And I didn't notice like a huge change in like the volume, but I wasn't really paying attention too much. So maybe I need to try this again and see like if it does make a huge difference. But I did show my sister, and she literally looked at my lips and she was like, did you have an allergic reaction to something? Because your lips are swollen and they're like red around the edges. So this works if you want to try it out. I have a high pain tolerance, so it didn't really hurt, but I could see how people would complain that this really, really hurts. But I love a good lip plumper, so I mean, I'm fine with it. Okay. The next lip product I have is this NARS lip product. What is it? It's an oil-infused lip tint, and it's part of their, I think, Laguna collection, or like their new bronze collection. I don't remember the real name for it, but it's in the color Reef, and it's a really pretty like gold copper lip tint, and I haven't used this yet, so let's see. Yeah, it's just like a nice sheer lip oil. And I do love NARS packaging, so I love this. I love how it's like in a nice copper package. Next is another lipstick. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. Now, I've wanted this one for a while now too. I just thought I'd hold off pretty much until the sale, just because it's not like a necessity, but it's nice to get a little bit of money off or save a little bit, even though I did spend so much on just lip products. And this one is a really nice light pink sheer lip gloss. It's that one right there. And yeah, I don't think there's really anything else to say about this. I'm just really excited to finally have this. And then the last lip product. This is the Patrick Ta Silky Lip Cream. And this is another thing that I had on my wish list. Like, I went into Sephora, I swatched it, I really liked it, and I decided to just hold off until the sale. That way I can save a couple bucks off. Because I do have a different, I have one of their like lip liners, or the little thin pencils, and I really like it. And this is in the shade She's Independent. And it's just another nice nude color. Oh, it's stuck. No, it's not. Yeah, it was. Oops. So yeah, this is more of like an opaque lip cream. And once again, super nude. It's that one right there. Okay. So that's pretty much it for everything that I ordered on Sephora in the beginning. And then on the last day of the sale, I did order a couple more things just because one of the Marc Jacobs bronzers was on sale and I really, really wanted it, and so did my sister, so we decided to just get it because it was literally like such a steal. And I'm still waiting on that stuff to come in, obviously, but I figured I'd share it just because there are a couple things in there that I'm so excited for. I'm just gonna pull up my order on my phone so I can read off a couple of the things. So the first Marc Jacobs product was the Omega bronzer. I've wanted that bronzer for so long, and it finally was. I think if you, I don't remember what the sale was, but like you get the bronzer and then you also get the Glow Away Bronzing Coconut Body Stick, and it literally came out to less than, like those two products came out to less than the price of just one bronzer. And then on top of that you had the actual like 20% off for Baby Rouge. So that was great, and I'm so excited for that to come in the mail. I have a thing for bronzers. Like, my collection of bronzers is insane. I don't know why. I can't tell you what it is. I just, out of all like skincare or like base products, I love foundations, but I also love bronzers. Like those two, I can keep trying like 50 different types of bronzers and foundations, and I'll keep wanting to try more. I do have my favorites, but like it's one of those things. And then I got two different things from The Ordinary. I picked up another AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. I'm pretty much out of the current one that I have. I just wanted to pick up another one because I really love that mask. It does tingle, so for people who have like a lower pain tolerance, it does hurt, but I'm fine with it. It's just a little uncomfortable in the beginning, and then the feeling goes away. And then I also picked up the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Serum for hair density. Now, I've read a lot of reviews about it, and it seems like a great product for just like making your hair a lot thicker. Obviously, you guys can't see my hair, so I'm not going to show you what it looks like now and then do like a before and after because I can't do that, but I'm excited to try it out. So that's pretty much it for everything that I picked up during the Sephora spring sale. I know there was a lot of lip products, and I don't know how it happened, but it did. But I'm really not mad at everything that I picked up. There's shades that I wear every single day. But yeah, I'm excited to just play around with a lot of this stuff, see if that serum works on my skin, or if I actually like notice a difference with it and things like that, but we'll see. So if you guys like this video, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below of anything else that you want to see from me, whether that's like a DIY type of video. Like, I just got a polygel nail kit and I'm so excited to try it out. I think I might film me using it for the first time, or just any other like makeup tips and tricks or any looks, and I'd be more than happy to film that for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.